Alright, so we have already explored how to use this LinkedIn helper automation tool. Now in this particular session we are going to look at how do you extract profiles of a select target audience from LinkedIn so that you can start approaching them one by one. In case you want to extract the profiles of those users, how do you do that? We'll look at that possibility over here. So just simply get into the campaigns section. Once you are on your LinkedIn helper, get into the campaigns section, create a new campaign. So over here you get a button called create campaign. Now in create campaign, just type in extract. So you'll find an option called extract profiles, visit and extract profiles. So select that visit and extract profiles option over here. So what it does, it gets the full profile data into your CRM or script the profile emails using snarf.io integration. So you can extract the profile links of a targeted set of audience or profiles from LinkedIn, and at the same time you can also extract the emails from those profiles. So let me just quickly create the campaign. Then my next step would be to go and select the source of those profiles. Either it can be a list of the profiles or it can be simple LinkedIn Sales Navigator based search. So let's say in my case I'm using LinkedIn Sales Navigator, I can select this one. In case you have a list of the profiles of those LinkedIn users, you can also select external file and upload or copy paste the profile links. In my case, I'm going to go with the LinkedIn Sales Navigator. My next step is to again select which platform. So there you can go with simple LinkedIn search. In case you do not have the paid version, LinkedIn Premium or LinkedIn Sales Navigator, just go with LinkedIn, or you can simply hit that I have the page URL. So you can also give a page URL and you can collect it from there. Let's go with Sales Navigator for now, since I already have this subscribed. And also Sales Navigator is the best possible way to select or shortlist the profiles based on a very targeted set of parameters. So based on your lead qualification, based on the type of parameters that you're going to use to shortlist your prospects, you can get a very narrowed down list of audience using Sales Navigator. So if you look at this Sales Navigator options over here, you get a very detailed set of filters. So I'm going to use this detailed set of filters to shortlist profiles. In my case, what I'm going to do here is look for companies who are having more than 200 employee count, and I'm going to target or I'm trying to reach out to people who are in the HR department, learning and development departments, and holding a CXO level position or a senior position in their organization, and they are from UAE, and these are the industries which I'm targeting, and they're pretty much in their mid-career or a top management. Based on their seniority in the organization, I'm going to shortlist them. Again, you can also shortlist them by the recency, so how active they are on LinkedIn. So this also increases your probability of getting the acceptance or finding people who are active on LinkedIn. So if you look at this particular filter over here, posted on LinkedIn, so 121 people out of these 600 are active on LinkedIn. They're posting on LinkedIn. So this is the information for the last 30 days. In the last 30 days they have posted, and job changes are for the last 90 days. So in the last 90 days, 23 of them have changed jobs. So they are actively looking out at options on how to bring a new change or new developmental focus areas for the organization. So you can also shortlist people by different other filters. There are multiple filters, you can explore it. Now once you've shortlisted those profiles, you can simply hit this start collecting button. So you'll see automatically there is a start collecting button that has come up over here. You can simply hit this start collecting button and it will start collecting all the profiles. Now once this is done, what you shall do, let me just quickly take an example of some older campaign. So let's say this is also the same campaign. So if you look at this campaign, it is visit and extract profiles. Same campaign, visit and extract profiles. So I'm going to go this. So there is an earlier earlier campaign that I have already run. So simply go to this this area over here. Once your extraction is complete, go to the list section over here, and what you get over here is a list of all the profiles, right? So mark or select all the profiles, 603 out of 603, all the profiles you have marked in. Then simply download the file. Now once you download it, this will be downloaded as a CSV file. Okay, so let me just quickly download it. Okay, this file is downloaded. Now my next step would be to get it in an Excel file. Now this is a CSV file, so CSV files do not actually open up in Excel file in a proper column format. So it pretty much looks in a very unstructured manner right now. I'll quickly show you how it looks right now. This is how it looks like right now. This is the file that I've downloaded. So once you open up the file, you'll see something like this. Do not freak out. You have to just have to do some quick checks to get a structured data. So what I'm going to do here right now, let me open up Excel, CSV into a proper Excel file. So get into data, then click on this from text / CSV, click on this and open up the same file that I've just downloaded from LinkedIn Helper. So once you open up this file, let me just quickly go to this one. This is the profiles. It will quickly show you an option based on which parameter or which character do you want to segment the data. So if you look at this particular structure over here, the entire data is now well formatted into proper columns. Hit the load button over here and you'll see that your entire data is very well structured and nicely formatted here. Now we don't need all of this information. Let me quickly delete this information for now. What we need here is just the LinkedIn profile ID. So this is the list of my LinkedIn profile. So if you look at this list, this is an amazing list of all the profiles that I've just extracted. All right, now email is what is still not extracted. So next we'll look at how to extract the email. So let me just keep the email field as is and delete all the redundant fields out there. Let me just delete the redundant files. Right, so what we have right now is the link of the profile URL. Email, we are going to extract it next. Headline, so that you can know who this person is. Location, and then you're also going to keep the company name over here somehow. So yeah, this is the current company. So this is the current company name. So what we have right now is list of all the people, their designation, their company name, right? And there are a lot of other information as well. We don't need that. You can just delete or hide those. So these are the FMCG profiles that I've just extracted right now. Now we need to extract the email account, email IDs of all of these profiles. So I'll head back to my LinkedIn Helper. Next step would be to create one more campaign or just add one more setup, add action, where my goal would be to do the lead generation, that is find profile emails, right? So simply add this one, find profile emails. And now if you run this campaign, what will happen is LinkedIn Helper is going to go and visit all of these profiles, extract their email accounts and give you the email list as well. Same process. Once it gets the email accounts, you have to just go to the list and download it again. Same process you follow and you'll get all the email accounts right in your Excel file. So yeah, that was a quick tutorial on how to extract email accounts and how to extract the profile links of a targeted user base from LinkedIn. Based on your profile prospecting criteria, you can shortlist the profiles and extract those profiles, extract the email IDs of those profiles, and then you can start prospecting through cold emails, or you can start connecting them on LinkedIn as well. Thank you so much. If you have any specific requirements or any other specific use cases, you can just drop in a comment and let me just quickly help you on that. Thank you.